What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. As you guys can see by the title and thumbnail, today is finally the day. Finally, bro, no more wasting time, no more slacking on this freaking build. We're bringing back the E46. I cannot wait to get this car back up and running. It's gonna be so freaking bad. I got big plans for it. We're gonna drift it a lot more than we did before. And also we're doing a full makeover on that car. First things first, we gotta tow it to 412, and that's what we're gonna do today. So today we're gonna put on a tow truck. I already called AAA right now. I was gonna go like get a truck, borrow someone's truck, because I don't have a truck. I was gonna try to borrow someone's truck, rent a trailer, and then go pick it up and tow it all the way to LA, but it's a mission, guys. So I'm just calling AAA right now. They're gonna come just pick it up, take it to 412 for me, and maybe I'll follow the tow truck behind him in the F80, or I'll just pull up tomorrow, because I doubt they're gonna be able to touch it today. But as long as we can get the E46 to 412, we're making progress. The car's been at my dad's work for like, I don't know how many months, but it's been broken for over a year. Over a year ago, I crashed this car into a freaking curb. I'm so stupid. I took it around the block of my house and I tried to do a little like drifting, I don't even know, and then I locked up the brakes, went straight into a curb. It sucks. The coilovers broke, the control arm broke, the wheel got completely bent. They were brand new wheels, by the way. I just mounted the wheels. They're about 5 minutes old, the tires and wheels. But finally, we're bringing the car back. I'm excited. I also want to wrap the car, do a whole livery on it. I want to wide body it. Anyways, today's the day. Let's go. All right, we made it, guys. Look at the freaking car. It's so sad. It looks literally destroyed right now. Like, it looks terrible. It's not that bad. We did just take the fender off. That's why it looks so much worse. But the fender's perfectly fine. Didn't even get damaged. Fender's perfect, guys. We just took it off so that you can see more of the damage, but the frame is good, the fender's good. It's all just suspension work that we need to fix. So we got the new wheel on there. The wheel's on there already. Sam's gonna inspect everything, so what we need to do. We also need to do some engine work too, because dude, E85 has been in here for over a year. So he said he wants to drop the fuel tank, take out all the old E85, refresh the whole entire fuel system, probably change out the spark plugs, the injectors, all that stuff, clean the injectors. A lot of work, but Sam's gonna get it done for me this week. I'm excited. Like I said, we'll probably go to 412 today or else tomorrow and see what happens. But today's the first step, getting it to 412. That is the very first step, and we're finally gonna do it. This looks a little slammed. I feel like it's gonna pop the tire, Dad.
Yeah, it's just...
If it pops the tire, that tire was so cheap. I literally bought this tire brand new, but so sad, bro. This car literally looks like a piece of crap, I'm not gonna lie. But we're bringing it back to life, guys. I literally have the vision in my head. It's gonna be so sick. Once it's cleaned up, it's been sitting for over a year. It looks like a barn find right now. It's all dusty, crashed, panels taken apart, has no hood, no front bumper, or literally no front end, bro. So that's why it looks so terrible right now, guys. But I promise, I have a vision and this thing is gonna come back to life. Now, if anybody has an E46 front bumper or hood, let me know, please. I need the hood and front bumper ASAP, and then we're gonna do a whole livery, new wrap on it. We're gonna slam it because it's way too lifted in the rear. We're gonna put it like this. Get the engine running again. We're gonna make the exhaust even cooler. Sam wants to refabricate the entire exhaust and wastegate to make it really, really cool coming out the hood. Or we might run it through the back. We'll see. I like the hood exit though. I think the hood exit is sick for like content-wise. Damn, I miss this car, guys. My baby. Some of you guys might have not even seen this car before. Like, some people are probably new to the channel. I mean, I haven't had this car on the channel for over a year, so since then we've for sure gained probably like close to 100,000 subscribers. So I'm sure a lot of people haven't even seen this car on the channel, which is also going to be kind of cool because I feel like it's going to be like a new build series for a lot of people that never seen this car before. It's like I'm getting a new car finally, you know, new builds on the channel. Might as well fix one of my previous builds that's been sitting here for the longest. We got it right now. We have it on this dolly, and we have like the whole control arm strapped up with the toe strap because there's literally no way out, guys. The coilover's completely disconnected. The coilover snapped in half. Like the top pad's here, but it's snapped. We already ordered the new Wisefab angle kit. All we gotta do is get a new coilover, and then car's ready. Guys, I'm gonna follow him a little bit on the freeway. Get a little Instagram reel or something. But finally, look, no more slacking. It's on the way to 412. Sam is gonna fix it. I can't wait.
Didn't you already pay Sam?
Yeah, I already paid him. Sam has all the parts, guys. It's literally just sitting at the shop, so once it gets there, it shouldn't be that much work. Sam told me probably like a day or two worth of work. That's it. And like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna go to phone to today because I got a lot to do at home, guys. I gotta ship a bunch of packages still. Everybody in the comments, I'm sorry for the people that haven't got their package yet. You guys seen like hundreds of people already got their packages, but there's still like another 100 that haven't, and I apologize, guys. They're all gonna be out soon. I've been just trying to catch up on the orders as well as everything else in my life. So I'm trying. Please be patient. I appreciate the patience too.
How many people on the freeway do you think are gonna be like, no way?
I know, that's what I was saying. I hope somebody can see it on the freeway driving to LA, because he got about an hour and like 20-minute drive right now. And we'll see, maybe one of you guys catch my E46 on the freeway. You guys will be like, oh my God, that's Nick's car. So much camber. Do you see the camber?
It's ridiculous.
It's because the angle kit. I can't wait to get it back. It looks like shit right now, I know, bro. Everyone, even to her, because she's not into cars at all. I know her reaction is probably like, what is that piece of crap? But I promise it's gonna be sick when it's done. I'm gonna make it look like a complete car, put the body panels back on, wide body it, slam it. It's gonna look good, watch. I know it is, I already have the vision, bro.
I love this car because you've talked about it since we first met.
I know.
Since we
It's my favorite car that I have. It's because the most craziest car, the most obnoxious car, the car that gets the most views on any platform I post it on. Every time I post this car on the dyno, that dyno video I have, million views every single time, bro. And the fact that it's a real M3, real E46 M3, guys. A lot of people would not make a drift car out of the M3 shell. When I first did it, everyone was talking shit like, why would you ruin a perfectly good M3? Bro, a lot of people would just get like a 3 Series, like the base model, that's worth half of the price, and gut it out like that, put a roll cage. Look at this dude. We pretty much took a real M3 and took everything out of it.
Yeah. Now that makes sense. I feel like when you first explained to me, I didn't understand. But it's like, it's a nice car. You're saying that you did that too, so that's why people are
like, that's what people are like, what is wrong with you? Go get a piece of crap.
Yeah.
3 Series, and not the M3.
That's what makes it cool, right?
I know.
That's why you love it so much.
It's a real M3, guys. I'm gonna follow him on the freeway a little bit just to get some more rolling shots, and then I'm gonna go home and ship the rest of these packages. Also the 5 skateboards, I have not shipped those yet. Everyone who's on a skateboard, thank you, and those are gonna be out today too. Shipping everything, guys. These are all the skateboards and a bunch of more plate frames, some hoodies. Oh my God. The daily. Most of the packages are all out. I think we just got like a few more to do. Bear with me, like I said, there's a lot of packages, guys, but we're trying little by little. I'm trying to hurry up before the post office closes, so I'm gonna take these half and then we'll package some more. But anyways, update on the E46. Sam already got it at 412. An hour later, it's already at the shop. He briefly looked at it already, and he's like, I think it's more damage than we think. He hasn't seen it. This is the first time him seeing it since I crashed the car, and he's like, bro, what did you do? How fast were you going? I hit the curb really hard, guys. I was drifting and I freaking went straight into a curb, and literally the car went like that. Like, it literally lifted up in the air. It was pretty sketch. It should be a cool little build series, so stay tuned, guys. The next couple videos should all be E46 stuff, and I know a lot of you guys are excited for that. I'll film all of the updates on it and everything that Sam does to it step by step, so it'll be fun. You know what I forgot? I know what we can do to finish this vlog. I've had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think, packages that I can hand deliver to you guys. If you guys remember, I mentioned the merch shop, I'm gonna hand deliver a few packages. I'm gonna pick like 6 or 7 to hand deliver to you guys. Somewhere kind of local. These ones are about like a 20-minute drive, so I'm gonna drive that way right now. I'm gonna hand deliver maybe like 3 or 4 of them, and then the other ones are out in LA, which I'll probably try to get to tomorrow morning. So let's go ahead and deliver some packages, get some people's reactions. But last time we did this, it was super cool. It's cool to see your guys' reactions when I pull up to your door in the F80. Last time I was in the GTR, and everyone was so shocked. They're like, no way, Nick just pulled up to my door. Hopefully everybody's there too, because sometimes we get unlucky and like the person isn't home. So hopefully we get some good reactions today, and hopefully some of you guys will be happy to see me pull up. I'm excited. Let's do it. Eric's house. My boy Eric, you better be home. We're also trying to haul ass, guys, because I have like 3 of them in this area that I'm trying to complete before the sun goes down. So I don't think you guys want me knocking at your door in the middle of the night. In the night, yeah. It's not even night, it's 5. It's just like daylight. It gets dark really fast, so I'm not trying to be outside the house in the dark. Let's see if Eric's home though. I come in as obnoxious as possible. Maybe you'll hear my car. not here?
Let me call her.
Okay. Oh, I don't know if he's home.
That's my brother.
Is your brother? Oh, you both be watching?
All of us.
Oh, well, I got his package.
Shit, Merry Christmas. I was just watching it.
Really? That's crazy.
I was about to sleep.
I know, I came in all loud. I was like, maybe you'll hear my car. It's his brother, guys, but they all watch my videos.
Yeah, we all watch it.
That's fire. Thank you, bro.
Since the M3.
Damn, it's a long time then, huh?
For the
United
years.
Are you FaceTiming him? He's gonna be excited.
Look at his reaction. He's gonna be like, what the?
I saw the play, I'm like, what the fuck?
Where's he at? School or something?
He's at with his girl, he's probably going to work.
Damn, he's gonna be sad.
Oh shit.
What's up, bro? I missed you! I came to hand deliver some merch and you got picked. I know, I feel bad that you're not home. Like, I got the M3 out here and everything.
Shit.
I know, it's all good. Your brother got it and everything. That's dope. Thank you for everyone watching the videos and stuff like that, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you for copying the hoodie or whatever it was. I think it's a hoodie, huh? That's sick. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Sorry I missed you, bro. I'm sorry. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. Thank you, bro.
At least he answered the FaceTime.
Nice meeting you, though. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. I wish I brought more stuff. I would have brought you some stuff, too. I know. It's all good. Thank you. That was sick. He was hyped. That sucks. So his little brother opened the door and his mom. His mom looked like she already recognized me. I could just
She's
tell
like,
her
hold on.
face. And she's like, wait. What was that one? Oh, it's that Q50. Damn, my boy has a sick ass car. But at least the little brother saw me and he recognized me. And we got to FaceTime Eric. Eric was on his way to work. I try to do this too, like after school, like just in case kids had school or something like that. Try to do it at a certain time, but. On to the next one. Let's get it. That was fun. It honestly is fun doing this. Like to see people's reactions. They're just like,
That makes you feel good, huh?
what the? I wish I could hand deliver every package, guys. But you know how long it'll take. And I told you, you guys might get lucky. That's why I tell you guys, I'm not capping. I'm literally gonna pull up to your house. Joshua, we're like 17 minutes away. This is for sure gonna be nighttime. And we have one more too, but it's all good. I'm trying to hurry up. It's probably it for tonight, and then tomorrow I'll probably add some more. Now I want you guys to be able to see the car.
I could just use we just have flashlights in their face.
Damn, we're also out of gas again, bro. Every vlog I'm out of gas. What's going on with this? Hopefully he's home. I hope. Hopefully get one good reaction.
Finding Joshua?
Where they at though? You remember that? Where they at though? Where they at though? What's funny too, guys? I noticed that like I pull up to the neighborhood and I can kind of tell which house it is by the cars that are outside. Like if there's modified cars or BMWs.
Jesus. His parents are gonna be mad.
Hopefully you got the right house. How's it going? Does Joshua live here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, I think he bought a hoodie from me and I said I was gonna hand deliver something. He's gonna be like, what? You got a package?
Oh shit. What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? How's it going? How's it going?
Yo.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro. What the fuck? I did not expect this
You
at all.
got picked, bro. I just kind of picked some people around my house and
shit.
you got picked.
Nice to meet you, dog.
Nice to meet you too,
I
bro.
watch videos like every time they
That's
come out,
fire.
bro.
Thank you for
That's
ordering
sick.
something too.
Appreciate you,
I
bro.
appreciate it, bro.
That's
Nice
tight.
meeting you.
Nice meeting you, dog.
Thank you. And I'm just glad I could do that, dude.
Appreciate you. Turned 18 on Sunday, bro.
Oh, really? Happy birthday, bro.
This shit looks way nicer in person.
Thank you, bro.
Damn.
Everyone says that.
Smell the heat.
I know everyone thinks it looks so much better in person. It does look way better than on camera.
Yeah, the carbon makes it looks way better.
Yeah, it looks good. Thank you for copying the stuff,
Yeah,
bro.
man,
I appreciate
you.
Were you surprised or what?
Yeah, I did not. I saw you. I was like, what the fuck? I thought it was my neighbor or something. That's awesome, dude.
That's tight.
You said, bro.
You too. Sorry, neighbors. That was sick. Yeah, he's probably tripping. It's so
I know.
funny seeing people's reactions.
From my point of view, because like I'm just fully from the outside, because I'm sure you feel a little overwhelmed too, like in
Yeah.
the moment, like meeting them. But it's funny to see like he came out and he was just like, what? And they looked at you, oh shit.
Yeah, he's
He's
like,
like, oh.
oh, that's 2 down. We're gonna try to do one more before the sun goes down because it's not that far. Hold on, I'm about to.
You think we can make it?
Try one more, guys, and then the next ones we'll do tomorrow.
Okay.
Let's see. Melvin.
Melvin.
Well,
Coming for you, Melvin.
Let's see if Melvin's home. I always get nervous doing this, bro. It's so scary. Does Melvin live here?
Melvin?
Yeah. He bought merch from me.
Okay.
And I told him I was gonna hand deliver some of the merch.
Oh, okay.
And
Well, he's not here.
No,
but,
damn.
He's not home,
It's
yeah.
all good. Okay, well here's the
It
package.
must have been my son.
Yeah.
Must have been my son. Same thing. He's
Oh,
not
okay.
here.
Oh, that sucks. Okay,
Thank
no
you so
worries.
much.
Thank you. Melvin's gonna be sad, bro.
For sure.
Just imagine watching the vlog. You're like, no way Nick was at my front door and I wasn't home. I'd be so mad. Sorry I missed you, bro. I tried. I appreciate everybody who copped the merch. Like I said, I wish I could hand deliver everybody's orders, but it would literally be impossible, bro. Like I said, I think I got like 4 or 5 more in the trunk still that I gotta do. But save us for tomorrow because it is kind of late. Maybe I'll take Kevin with me. That would be funny. I'm gonna do that tomorrow as well, guys. For now, I still have a couple more plate frames on the website, so if you guys want any plate frames, I think I have plate frames. I bet there's only like 10 left or something like that. Plate frames and also F80 stickers. That's all that's left on the website. Shop findingnick.com, first link down below. Also tomorrow, we'll probably be at Phone 2 and check out the E46 in person and see what Sam thinks about it. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Probably a short one, but we got some progress and we got a lot done today, so peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.